What's up guys, it's Akraprovic here. I'm going to show you how to get 360 camera videos with your car, like these down below that I got to put here. What's up guys, so we're back again. You've seen the clips, this is how I get them. I've got a GoPro Max here on an Insta360 stick. I'm going to have all the links below. This is a free suction cup mount and it's fucking solid. Let me show you a strength test. So Liam is showing us how strong this mount is. Look, you can literally move the bar with it. It's not coming off. Oh my god, this is mad. So yeah, if you want the maddest setup, the strongest setup, get this setup. Solid. Yeah, the link will be below in the description. Go get it and film some sick videos. If you've got any questions, by the way, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe and all that shit. Bless.